Okay, this is test one. Let's see how this works. Oh. Okay, yeah, it floats. Oh my gosh, this is not working as well. Oh. Wait, it's not too bad. Wait. Oh no way! Yo! I might have go forward. And once you're done with that, just grab that off there. Not too confident about this. Oh. But you know what? It isn't terrible. If you're trying to go to the side. Yeah. So there's not really any way to turn this. But that's it for now. Yeah, it can also fly. Hold up. So that's my boat for now. I might update it because, of course, it doesn't really, no, it doesn't really turn and like stuff. So we'll probably update it. Anyways, that's the boat. Yeah, it flies still. Hope you guys like it. Bye.